Richer Paper has devoted to production of medium and high-end papers, such as thermal paper, food packaging paper, wrapping tissue paper, cigarette rolling paper, and kraft paper. Certified with FSC, FDA, and ISO 9001. We serve more than 50 countries' overseas customers, including wholesalers and luxury brand owners, enjoying high reputation for both products and services. With modern management techniques, advanced equipment, strong platinum control performance, Richer Paper builds a resource-saving and environmentally friendly enterprise throughout the whole production process. Richer Paper will always be your best business partner with competitive price, premium quality, fast delivery, and perfect customized service.